Eti me catch them say we could nyina de eye for Jordan Ayew because ball na or boy ya no Ghana versus Colombia ball no boy ya no wa she Ghana for bufuo any the interview say after the game no no na ati Ghana for nsunu mu ko yon cancer le win Kwame G any Ghana for ni bi abe clash with Jordan Ayew then some wo mo ke catch them no ese woni edi se catch them kan catch them say nyame betuo mu nyina ka in fact nyame ebetuo mu ka I Penyah block me that best one say any day mo Obe like video not that my boss subscribe button and click notification icon just update number chire wa get am e comment section. Oba so not sure for anybody never can phone nala money send up at the amount who USA who UK open send this ediko fia. Fanala app no send this car. Na ombe cho $20 for free. Omo try na share the very fast. O send it ya na akodu fee. Na emu na no. Omo asa cho $20. Now let's go to the story. Ebusia FIFA World Cup on this edition. Eguso air cost but unfortunately Ghana no ye free mu. Yetime Penyah koduru run of 32 and then Colombia and then go see akan. Now, when say the game na esi call ya, there were some chances go on more. Jordan Ayew or may say just to the point say ya counter ma player bi ball na ko ube chase no na Jordan Ayew asai.
Shadio, we may not footballer, but the small years that they play, I get football sense. What's something here? What's something? Make your eyes play here. What's something? So see somebody. You see this guy? I don't know his name. I don't want to mention him, but watch out. Watch out. You don't do offside. Yes, you don't do offside yet. Watch this guy. Where you did. Instead of you to follow the guy, you don't follow him. You draw back. See what you can do for you too. You know if you take the ball. Can you imagine? Now throw cup, you take ball through. You get sense.
Anna, who ya striker? Yenya free kick round ball no that center line honum that center honum we be striker that was over my midfielder be abebo ball no cause midfielder so omu kura shot over my midfielder abebo na wo striker we gina ni mu na ba wa pim bi ahye no striker mum na ko gina ball na chi ebebo
a striker going to play a free kick at the center circle. Who go score? A striker. Who go score? A striker going to play free kick at the middle of a game. See, who go score? See,
free kick at the center line. Na striker ko gina ball ebebo. No otu atwatwen. Jordan Ayew just say ball Jordan ball ye no. Or boy ye ka park ni so hono mo.
Jordan Ayew as ye ko jogging. See ya no number move. See ya no ya po. See ya na Jordan Ayew. Ojibo na no atiato. Chese one dey opese ojibo na foul. Are ye bo na bebo foul. Now agro na muni ebi no. Ye anadu one ye to hwemo. Wede mo ye.
E mana Ghana for no e dey bofuo. Obubu asset efu ni kakra. Ombu efu ni pa. Now you know right after game no. Any year when you interview say na game no ko hu ne say mo free mu nsembe na wo kan e ho no e no de nkomo we e ma ye.
To what extent did coaching play a role in today? Maybe, some players kept too long on the pitch that have gone off earlier.
Listen, that's up to the manager to make his decisions. I'm not here to tell the manager that he has to do this, he has to do that. I'm here to do my best for the boys and to let them feel confident and comfortable. If there's anything like the manager does what he wants to do and what he feels is best for the team, and there's nothing to say about it.
How would you sum up our campaign?
It's not good because we qualified. We qualified, and you guys, don't forget we have a new manager. He just came 2 months ago and tried to install his style, and now people are adjusted. You don't just adjust within 1 month or 2 months. Football doesn't work like that. You have to accept it. We came here, we could see that defensively we were better. Defensively we were better, but then we fell short a bit offensively. So we have to find the right balance now, And it's all about work, and the manager needs time. He's a very good manager. You need to give him time for him to do his job, and hopefully things will be better.
Just say born now no jema wo na ni wo fie so be call holidays enu na hia Jordan Ayew enya David masa ono so ye be breaki ye be Ghana free mu na obe kɔ fie ene hia no na no hwe tournament Ghana eko ya se mi ha mani nka time a Ghana aboba or my munyina supporting no from 2004 to date 2026 we. So we 2004 any 2008 mu free mu a time a Ghana aboba just o man ne dia akoma pa support wo mu pa this year. Jesse amanfo kra ye Jesse amanfo print ya na o moton enye Jesse kuma anka Ghana sheko eni anka Jesse business no ebesa akoso be esi ya free mu ama amanfo Jesse abo wo mu so
Ayew enti sisi ya Jesse bebrebe na ya twa egu dan mu no mo free mu no sisi ya mo be se ho amo na emeto ho amo na emehye sa Jesse no ho amo na emehye sa Jesse no mo free mu no ho amo na emehye sa Jesse no ya to ya ko ya boka twa Jesse egu dan mu ensaye mo free ade na mo yesa mo free Jesse ni ya boka
so we start at the table one so just say Niema Jordan you need in for cause Ghana the damage you cause to this country they have no idea. Oh mama kojon cancer we just crowd about so na Niema we interview na Jordan you no and I mean as Ghana for say here wo nyame betua wo kan kasa nyame betua wo ka pay
Blasters Ghana Blasters se have a bad do nam ko Penyah ko panima nyame be some questions all the press nyame be some e kwa mo fa so a Colombia for share mo nyame be some kwa mo fa so a Croatia for every ne yen nyame be some Blasters nyame be some all the press nyame be some Ghana for nyamu didie is obi ebrem me kojo ni etie baabi ya kasan ko baabi a na wo ye hu dede ene nyina benya wodo magye fo so nyina afa me de se nyamba busam e man fa ko fantale Jesse Blaster Jesse ntale pa ye ton e bi fi Togo Nigeria akafu Dubai abagu Ghana anka mutimi share ya ka business ka bagana ka man fo nye ske bediti just 2,500,000 cities, 1,000 cities, just and net move free me, just no, 1,000 no, about 10 cities. 200 cities, about 1 city. A camp one again for a boy, Malusa, man for a boka. Mumujiti, West City trap better, no. Hey, God, Blasters. And we, my phone tally, Ghana, when you walk. But we are 1,005. Ghana Jesse, Amaye, Mayeri Hassans, the biggest company in the world. Hassans, any, baby, my, Afro, so, I met some Hassans. I don't for any Ghana, I don't for him, but for so Munta Hassans, Nagana, young Kunia, when they work up, and I tell them fourth, and I second. And you, Mabaka, Hassans, Mabako, head. And I live what you, any. Siabesia, my young baby, ever never, medium menton, and when me chama Ghana and Penifo, and other forum, as it through forum, never say chama, has and so to I see, supervisor, and you, Mabaka, if you a short chance, hey, blasters, and one person training, simple Chambema. Need so hot. You remember where short chance, you short chance, where the message baha, where the message, yee, come get out of baka, Obiabaka, where the message baha, hey, I'm here for time, hey, blasters, hey, I'm on Messamadi, hey, blasters. Hey, we're wicked. Hey, we're fucking. Hey, I'm not a member. Somebody. Hey, I'm here for 1,500. Hey, Blasters. We are brutal. Montim Bonsu, I'm one year more. Moses Mukutambema. Nasamutambema, he said, Blaster praising you later on set on Mosia. One in Bob, but some way, Mbutambema. Oh, my Blaster praising you to Messiah. I'm a kind of form as out Chambema, mean trap that to my Jimmy. Blasters! Hey, Miss Amadou, Hassas from my Joe, Hassas what? I say, Ghana woman to me, Ghana woman tea. I can have some quite go imagine like Ghana designer. Hey, I say the man went so much from my own team. I'm all there, but track carrier, Baba go. Maka, but I say, and I must say, a minute I never do any. I didn't go home, and I say,
And then we fell short a bit. Offensive. No, you fell short a bit. We rather a bit. Jordan, no friend, a bit. You won't even accept accountability. You won't. Huh? You won't even accept. Yes, we should understand that the coach just came in 2 months and I don't know you Panama you share the one make us as a coach. You in England the board draw I don't know why make us as a coach in by 2 months. One kasa win him so offensive na zero nada zero mama defenders na bre mama defenders na bre mama boys na bre we chire what sa mama bresa egu mama bregu
ana munim say edi agorombo ana bo no say edi agorombo ekwasesem waji 12 billion e bo kwasebo say 12 billion waji Kenya se kwa kure ne Kenya se kwa yenye obeka na konfo na konfo mu ade na konfo mu ade ene me na mgu nsama mo welen mekuta men sam amuzu bites e prayer waji 12 billion ah bo kwasebo no o ba play waji 12 billion ah bo ni bi ah ti play o ba mani pam no ntwi fam ha what gaga with the chobia gaga this say I win match no kwidira hey uso wani coach ni mi to ma Ghana wo be ko de Chrome State o duro de Chrome manso mfa no Ghana ye ka bia chima monte but the masala wo lack and yes we seven e ko match na do bia e lack nya na mo man di pa no one time e ko dem wo man di pa no body ti atizigi wo ya de na mum ti wo de obisi ana o man ya de we jode you for me ya wo ba bi how far you ati we say so me catch ha me catch on show sakat brawanim o bra
ana me catch o se kwa say o mu yi se na ya free mu no akomo fa mabara ma akra me bobi what you say so be fe ko bitu mo bo no o di gidi o men so se kwan ya be bo de no bo be no bo no
me ka ma ade me tira ni jimi o
ne ko na me catch o
no to da yi jabom na jora bo ko sem sa what me ka sem sem jora bo
ana so o jejina so kama
o ja ale ka black no jejina so munim na mo panto munim fa ko test na mo kasa sembe sa about record ni sa pa dia on bo record
Jordan Ayew adentina yetimi sa boy ni free ball adentina Jordan yetimi ni every Ghana ball mu team no e ya be di pele dia Ghana team na ye o man ni nyina dia no nti eni pa ba ko dia na say a family responsibility be dia Jordan or bottle kakra yes omo ball no full time omo and I said din pa na ya kwani o training grounds wa e ma coach ni hu se me for Jordan adamu ko training grounds na Jordan we Messi na oya den ye bobo on press onya hwe wo sakora kan se amba na wa sha why this one mo ball on press onya hwe striker or more shot World Cup we nyina or more shot World Cup we nyina it's Jordan e wa Ghana not say me me tifie me more shot Jordan more shot still or start it okay my bread.
Now I can say emphatically say without any malice say Jordan Ayew the ongoing World Cup tournament is the worst number 9 ever World Cup so far is the worst number 9. You don't score goal, you don't press, no movement, nothing. Before. And when we are waiting the whole night and you are falling like a body. What kind of striker is this? People might think so personal issues with him. Jordan minimum that but truth must be told to say he's the worst striker or tournament will be. He's the worst. He's the worst because look at it. Yenya free kick Erico, a striker number 9. Now he center circle. Now one go to say defenders in and quiet heading show. Also what you must say head show go. Now striker no assess what me my goals no. One able free kick bia. Yeah no woman no down.
Sɛ minyaeɛ a na nka mpanifo ka sɛ ɔmotae kan na deɛ mu na di ɔmu ni nkɔ deɛ aka kyie mo ho ban na nka magye atum ne matwa bibia so ba Jordan Ayew wo mɛbɔ wɔkyia kɔpem sɛ wɔde official statement bɛba so wa retire from the Blasters. Deɛ happen a Blasters free blame Jordan nko ada bia ɛsa akora ma anya fair to him but me ne wa animguase as a striker okogu ho at the World Cup me ne wa nka me the official statement aba sɛ Blasters ne me mobiem enkola ne mo ma bre kola ne mo but nyo bia na nim fere nyo bia na niwu asem nyo bia kura na niwu ade ti woda so te wo me ne wo right after the Colombia game come the official statement aba ama o ma ebe ma congratulations and I say good luck hwan nke de ama enye wo ntimre bia ni ho emre bi ni ho kwa FIFA mfamra see the 26 man squad ne ko tournament no bi di nkwase ade a obobo bia wani nye ho a mundi potino mun ketekiti manemra na even pa kwakura mpa office wo gidie woni mu a o meto aso ntimi bisa o Jordan Ayew horrible performance we mun nyini yesi baby jet betimi abo ne kwakura boimu Jordan Ayew performance tantan yokoputi ni yapi mun nyini yese baby jet kwakura bom obetimi abo enam sankrofo we ya so ni baby jet equity blaster no nya na adwen so obekwiti kama na e ka no hey, a real papa. Uja wadwuma ne to as a striker no aba. Free kick away half no abebo. Ah keeper betimi abo no abebo. Na dia wo de record a wako seti. Miminim sa Blaster ne yenko ba bia da bi. Ni yenko ba bia. Ah ye bon pressing ko piem run of 16 na mpo run 8 no. Ye ko pedien. But dia man ye yanie. See the striker akọ ye starter. Number 1 striker. Each and every game bia obo. Unye bench woman. And the man ye o. Wow, more short. Minim second tribune so experiences sad ye we dia. Minim obi ma mi hu comment section ho. Jordan. Oye mambofo bia. Oye mambofo. Ko broya brai sun. De ma ye de ni mbuase san ye fere ye kurani. O striker say sen. O ya say sen. O ye de. O ko kan de yin. Hwe de strikers ni bi chance enye chance kra no. O mo ma be ye chance. E man krofo enya assist. Chance enye chance. O ma ne be ye chance. E man krofo bi nya assist. O ma e pass e wom. Hwe ye de. Onya kro ntimi mo. Nya record obi kra so wa ya assist. Akuku ye say to agenda tientimi nyini mfirim tama ye pe agenda tientimi nyini mfirim because ne papa abu bi pen nya atwom ne keta hyehyɛ ene ekunya ne ye bɛkɔ fa papa saa de aye adwen si ye mputu stop to rate no ebe boa Ghana nkasa na ebe boa Blaster timu no ye ntonko sonko omo hwi no gina mfinfin hwi obi gra na no go obi ga jam se o okɔ na hwan na be receive saa second boss no Bob Beba boss me a poor be a passing. You are nowhere to be found. A Panama game me, midfielder, Rinchin na Bob by no honor, yes, I tap in. Chiaka, Papa, who from a new crime ran Jordan, India, what Temin can, cause you teach them teach what Temin retire. Me bo a cheer, some point focus on Winty, meaning to Mrs. C.A. You must retire and a dear too. Chiaka.
So the people with then they insult Jordan, the new people go take your Jimmy Babetena, then you defend them. And without Jordan, Blaster is nothing. Without Jordan, Blaster is not moving forward. Where you people did? Your Jordan has them fix them against Colombia today. You people see the ball where he play. That be your Jordan. The Jordan where you people they hype or no. That be your Jordan. Like it be the Asante guy or some correct striker where we get for this match inside. We go, Charlie. Colombia for the second half inside. You people see them play something. You people see we know they create chances. We know they create chances. The front there, it be only Semenyo way they press. As a striker, you alone. If them get free kick, you go play. If them get corner kick, you go play. I sure see go kick safe. Jordan want like you go Greece, you go the play, you go the kick on a go kick. With Jimmy I saw do be here. We they talk truth, then some of you more be general. You people think say we know like the betterment of the team or what? It's high time Jordan we for drop on. Person way they play Leicester, he carry team go relegation. You people know they understand relegation or what? Relegation they miss if you go relegation, means say the players we did the team inside, them one know the force. That's why them go relegation. You go carry him, come see, make he can't play Black Star. If you can say he be this thing, play with and he can't play for the World Cup. Woman can't crunch them. This Jordan them for no they start time, they for boss who could talk on ourselves the truth. You can't let some of you will come through the comment section inside and you hate them Jordan is the judge without Black Star. But I'm from with Jimmy Mbra comment section. I will block you people for that. You don't want the betterment of the team. Black Star before you will talk you people. We go beat England this thing. That match inside before you know see what Jordan do for that match inside. In the week the team Asante day bench like this. We get the proper player. We get energy, we get physical. We go come compete like the Colombia defenders. You people did then now Jordan. You know the press, you know they do anything. Mufa mu Jimmy Mbra comment section is I can't defend them. I will block you plus your family members. So mun pen ukure kwasi abobi awakobo hono. It dey inside we will lose this match. It dey inside. So if you go work, you first start the press from the front. You dey frustrate the defenders. Them go lose balls. You go see them get ball safe. Nobody this thing, the 18 lines and make them give them the ball, make you score. As soon as them get corner kick, and Jordan will come claim the ball, so you can't play. Free kick, if they can't claim, I don't know. You will be striker way for the box inside, make somebody cross give you, make your head on. You will be you will make somebody come for the comment section inside come full. More.
I just say Jordan, when in the NTA or my Ghana for your bare fee, me buana. Not just we throw interview said akwa woman bofu pa ye throw interview said brana be Kenya asem kire o man Ghana na ma yakoma nto e ma wo pa kire say so far ne de woni bibia aka dansa wo holidays ni hu hia wo holidays na wo kwa akodi no che say woni say wo bro ni no say hwan kwa akodi ni ntino che say wo ma Ghana ye lose match na me bo ana Chale Jordan sambe ke ye interview Kenya asem bi na ka Ghana for de so ye so esi usu ni ye njai. You say, oh, upon everything, I Kenya say, what I say, you are going to enjoy your holidays with your family. Me buana. Na say, Juma ye nyina, timamufo ye Juma ye nyina, busuafo ye jai, e dey support Ghana Blasters. Asema wo ye fra wo se be kanu. Asema wo ka kire no no. Abusuafo me video we ne mo adwumi amacho comment section ase.
Like I said, for the African Cup of Nations, the qualifiers, we'll have to make sure that they are ready and we are ready, because we can only look forward now, and that's what is ahead of us.
And obviously for you, how are you feeling? Are you a few more matches for you to go? What are you thinking?
Well, this is now, after a night like this, it's not easy to speak about this type of things, but as far as I'm concerned for now, I just want to go home and take holidays and spend time with my family, and after we'll see the future. We don't know what it holds, but we'll see.
Listen, enjoy your holiday. All the best.
Comment section. Hi, Penyah Media. Accra.